Welcome back to Brewsome Brain, the channel that's dedicated to making your life easier, one hack at a time. Are you a busy professional who's always running late and feeling overwhelmed? Do you feel like you need a time turner like Hermione Granger just to get everything done? Well, fear not my friend, because in this video we are going to share some time management hacks that will make your life a breeze. Time management. It's like that broccoli you know you should be eating, but somehow it always ends up at the bottom of your plate. As a busy professional, time is your most precious commodity, and it's important to make the most of every single second. Because let's face it, if you're not careful, time will slip through your fingers faster than sand in an hourglass. But, with some effective time management hacks, you can make sure that you're not only achieving your goals but also reducing your stress levels. So sit tight and get ready to take some notes because we are about to show you how to become a time management ninja. Hack number 1. Prioritizing. Prioritizing tasks is one of the most important aspects of time management. Let's say you have a list of 10 things to do in a day, and you don't know where to start. You might end up wasting a lot of time trying to figure out what to do first, which can be counterproductive. That's why it's important to prioritize your tasks. One effective method is using the Eisenhower matrix, which involves categorizing tasks based on their urgency and importance. For example, tasks that are both urgent and important should be tackled first, while tasks that are neither urgent nor important can be eliminated or delegated. Another approach is to focus on high-priority tasks first. These are tasks that will have the most significant impact on your goals and productivity. By tackling these tasks first, you can make sure that you are making the most of your time and energy. Remember, prioritizing your tasks can help you avoid wasting time on low-priority tasks or tasks that can wait. It can also help you reduce stress by breaking down your to-do list into manageable chunks. For hack number 2, we have time blocking. Time blocking. It's not just about playing with toy blocks to kill time, folks. Time blocking is a powerful technique to help you manage your time more effectively. The idea is to block out specific chunks of time for specific tasks, so you can focus on them without any distractions. For example, if you are a busy professional with a million things on your to-do list, you could block out an hour each day for responding to emails, 2 hours for working on a project, and 30 minutes for taking a break to grab a cup of coffee, because let's be real, caffeine is essential for productivity. By time blocking, you can ensure that you're making progress on your important tasks without getting sidetracked by less important things like scrolling through social media or staring at the ceiling wondering what to do next. So, grab your calendar and start blocking that time, folks. Next, hack number 3 is about delegation. Delegation is one of the most important time management skills for busy professionals. We often have so much on our plate that we can't possibly handle everything on our own. That's where delegation comes in. Delegating tasks to others can not only free up your time, but it can also improve team efficiency and allow you to focus on the most important tasks. So, how do you delegate effectively? First, identify tasks that can be delegated. These are typically tasks that don't require your specific expertise or attention. Next, choose the right person for the job. Consider their skills, experience, and workload before assigning the task. Make sure you provide clear instructions on what needs to be done and any deadlines or expectations. This will help avoid misunderstandings and ensure that the task is completed correctly and on time. Remember, delegation is not a sign of weakness. It's actually a sign of effective leadership and time management. So, don't be afraid to delegate tasks to others and focus on what really matters. Now, let's talk about the biggest enemy of time management, distractions. And that's also a hack number 4. Yes, those pesky notifications, the sudden urge to check your social media, or the need to watch that cute cat video. We all know how tempting they can be, but trust me, they can throw you off track faster than you can say, YouTube algorithm. So, to avoid these distractions, you've got to be ruthless. You can't let them suck you in. Turn off those notifications, put your phone on silent, and lock it in a drawer if you have to. You can always catch up on those TikTok dances later. And, if you're like me and get easily distracted by the environment around you, create a space that helps you focus. Maybe that means putting on some white noise or setting up your workspace in a quiet corner. Whatever it takes to keep you on task and away from those pesky distractions. Trust me, once you get into the habit of avoiding distractions, you'll be amazed at how much more productive you can be. And you might just have time to catch up on those cat videos after all, but only during your scheduled break time. Finally, let's talk about the importance of tools and technology to manage your time better as our final hack of this video. In this digital age, we have access to all sorts of tools and gadgets to make our lives easier. And when it comes to managing our time, technology can be a real game changer. Gone are the days of carrying around a bulky planner or trying to remember important dates and deadlines. With the help of time management tools and apps, we can keep track of our schedules and tasks with just a few clicks. Take time tracking apps, for example. These nifty little tools can help us keep track of how much time we are spending on certain tasks or projects. Not only does this help us stay on track, but it also helps us identify areas where we might be wasting time. Then there's project management software, which can help us organize and prioritize tasks, assign them to team members, and track progress all in one place. This can be especially helpful for busy professionals who are juggling multiple projects at once. And let's not forget about calendar apps, which can help us schedule appointments, set reminders, and even sync up with other calendars. With a good calendar app, we can avoid double booking ourselves or missing important deadlines. So if you want to manage your time like a pro, don't be afraid to embrace technology. Just remember to use it wisely and don't let it become a distraction in itself. In conclusion, managing time is crucial for busy professionals who want to achieve their goals and reduce stress. By prioritizing tasks, time blocking, delegating tasks, avoiding distractions, and using tools and technology, you can manage your time more effectively. Remember, effective time management takes practice and consistency. Try out these time management hacks and find what works best for you. With these tips, you'll be able to make the most of your time and achieve your goals. Thanks for watching, and remember, time is money, so don't waste it all on cat videos. Like, share, and comment below with your favorite time management hack. And if you want more brain-brewing content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Until next time, stay organized, stay productive, and stay brewsome.